We're making biscuits. Did you record?
Yes.
We're making biscuits. Where's it aiming? Is it aiming at my p***? Come on, you're like aiming to the floor. Yeah, come on. Look at that. Alright, y'all. I'm going to make biscuits, homemade. And Rhonda's going to teach me. Here we go. Now, what do I need to make biscuits? I need some all-purpose flour, got some butter, salted, and we got some baking powder here.
Yep.
And we got some salt, sea salt. All right. 1, 2.
Now you need a tablespoon of baking powder. Drop it in.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay. Which one?
Teaspoon of salt.
Salt.
And if you like them extra salty, like we just had,
Yep.
put an extra half a teaspoon of salt. Okay.
Like that?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
What else?
Whisk that together.
Whisk it together.
So these are the dry ingredients you're going to mix together.
Okay. Mixing the dry ingredients. Stick of butter. A whole stick?
Yep. Half a stick of butter.
Half a stick?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh man, I just broke the knife. Look at that. Well, I'll put some super glue in it, it'll be fine.
Alright. Get your cheese grater. Grate your butter into the flour.
It's being clean as a...
Dang, I want to eat that.
Who wants to eat it?
I want to eat that butter. Looks
Well,
good.
It does look good.
Use this to cut the butter into the flour.
Good.
So the oven's preheating to 450 while you're doing all this, by the way.
Okay.
I think your flour measurement was a little bit high or something.
Why do you say that?
Because it's not very wet.
Well, I got the milk right. And you said you got the butter right. Let me use this thing.
Yeah.
Right.
Cut out as many biscuits as you can.
It's not gonna make that many. This thing's
Yeah.
huge.
Just do it.
You wanna set them on here?
You're supposed to make the sides touching.
Oh, okay.
I used a biscuit pan the other day when I made them, but biscuit pan's in the washer. Get washed.
Do you need them in a circle or in a line is good?
It don't matter.
That?
That one looks so sad.
Which one looks
Perfect.
sad? That one looks sad?
Yeah. And then we're gonna bake them at 450 for 14 minutes.
Okay. A little bit of butter on there, right there, looking good. But this is gonna help to like brown it and make it look good.
Make it crunchy.
Cool.
Let me rotate it.
Looking good.